Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Hoffman, and tonight I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides to edit your Listen and Reflect worksheet. So once you've chosen your song and listened to it a bunch of times, you're going to have this Listen and Reflect worksheet open. The file should already have your name on it up here. It doesn't show that just because I haven't posted it yet, but when I do post it and when you see this, it will show your name in the title there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to double click in this dotted box here and type your name. First and last name, please. And then what you'll see is a bunch of different things to fill out. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to write the title of the song that you chose. In this case, let's say that I chose Orlando Gibbons, What is Our Life? So I'll type here and under song, I'll type the title, which is What is Our Life? And for under composer, I will type the composer's name, and his name was Orlando Gibbons. If you're not sure of the composer, you may need to look it up. And then for each of these big boxes here, style and mood, instrumentation, dynamics, rhythm and tempo, and my rating, I am going to use the shapes and the boxes provided to provide my answers. So under style and mood, what is the character of the music? How does it make me feel? The character of the music, you're going to use this red arrow here and make it point to the character of the music that you think it is. If it doesn't appear there, if the character of the music is something different from one of these options, you can always type it in here in this dotted red box. And then it will ask you to choose the mood of the music or how it makes you feel. And you can, again, use the arrow to point to the one that you think it is. Or if one of these options doesn't work for your song, you can double click in the box and type something else for how it makes you feel. Over here, it asks for instrumentation, what instruments or voices you hear, and how many performers you hear. Again, you will use the arrow, and actually, I'll even give you a second arrow to use. And you can make these point to some of the different instruments that you hear. Just moving those out of the way so that you can hear that. I'll give you 4 of them to start with, and you can always create more if you need. So you can move those, and again, if you hear something that isn't one of the options, you can just double click in the box and type whatever that is. For dynamics, the volume of the music, does it change? You can move the arrow to the best option. For rhythm and tempo, again, move the arrow to the best option. It might be fast, it might be medium, it might be getting slower, it might be getting faster. It could be something like that. And if, again, one of the options isn't there, you can always add your own. This last one, my rating, you're going to rate the song. So if you really, really, really liked it, you're going to go ahead and give it a 5. If you kind of felt medium about it, you can give it a 3. And if it wasn't quite your favorite song, and that's okay, you can give it a 1. In this box right here, I would like you to share why you gave it the rating you did. So if you really, really liked it and you gave it a 5, you could say why. I really liked the lyrics or the words. Or you could say, I thought the sections were really cool. You could also, again, or you should also, again, if you rated a 1, I should know why, or you should tell me why. If you didn't like it, maybe it was because the mood was not exciting, or too many instruments. It could be any reason you want, as long as it's true to why you didn't like it. And you'll just use this circle again to show that rating, and the box to show why you rated it that way. So I hope this helps. I hope you have fun listening, and I will see you during our next music class. Have a great rest of your day, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.